Uttarakhand, a state known for its natural beauty and cultural heritage, is also home to thousands of young minds eager to learn and grow. In June 2024, the government of Uttarakhand, under the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan, launched the Enhancement of Spoken English program. The goal was clear: to empower 45,019 students from grades 9 to 12 across 235 government schools in all 13 districts of Uttarakhand, with the confidence and skills to communicate effectively in English. For many students in remote areas, learning English was a significant challenge. Limited resources and access to personalized training made it difficult to achieve proficiency. The government recognized the need for a scalable, technology-driven solution that could reach every student, regardless of their location. To address this challenge, the government of Uttarakhand partnered with Wordsworth, a leader in language learning solutions. Wordsworth developed a self-learning application with advanced artificial intelligence features tailored to the program's needs. The application included AI-powered linguistic speech checks to analyze pronunciation, grammar, and fluency, instant feedback and corrective exercises for students, personalized learning paths for proficiency levels ranging from A1 to B2. The application ensured students could learn independently while receiving real-time guidance, mirroring the support of a teacher. The program was executed in phases, ensuring every detail was meticulously planned and implemented. On 24th June, the agreement was signed at the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan office in Dehradun, marking the official launch of the program. SPD, State Project Director, APD, Additional Project Director, and the Deputy State Project Director played a crucial role in overseeing the overall project implementation. The first phase of implementation began with offline teacher training sessions. On 20th July, training was conducted at the District Institute of Education and Training, DIET, in Dehradun for teachers from Dehradun, Uttarkashi, and Haridwar districts. Simultaneously, DIET Udhamsing Nagar hosted sessions for teachers from Udhamsing Nagar, Pithoragarh, Champawat, and Nainital. On 22nd July, training continued at DIET Almora for Almora and Bageshwar, DIET Tehri for Tehri, and DIET Pauri for Pauri, Chamoli, and Rudraprayag districts. For teachers who missed the initial training, additional sessions were held on 3rd August at DIET Dehradun for the Garhwal region and on 5th August at DIET Champawat for the Kumaon region. Samagra Shiksha played a key role in monitoring the one-day offline training of teachers across all the training diets. On 9th August, an online orientation was conducted for block education officers and principals to ensure smooth implementation at the ground level. Further, training was conducted online to reinforce learning and ensure program efficiency. On 7th December, a project progress meeting was held at the Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan office in Dehradun, attended by the Chief Executive Education Officer, block education officers, and principals to review the program's progress. Winter Vacation Online Support. From 1st to 15th January 2025, online support sessions were organized during winter vacations to ensure continuous learning. Students could attend sessions from 11 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. in 2 slots. The Wordsworth team also made phone calls to all the learners, encouraging them to complete the assignments during the winter break. To ensure the program's success, 42 district-level facilitators, DLFs, were appointed. Their role was to visit schools regularly, motivate students, and address any challenges they faced. These facilitators became the backbone of the program, visiting one school every day across the 13 districts. The program was monitored by the State Project Coordinator from the Dehradun office, well supported by the back-end team, ensuring coordination between the schools and the DLFs. The schools allowed access to the computer labs for students who could not bring mobile devices to schools. Our DLFs conducted sessions in schools engaging students through role play and other interactive activities to enhance their learning. Additionally, school teachers and DLFs using their own devices along with additional devices assisted students in completing their assignments. Inputs from our State Project Coordinator further enriched the program, ensuring smooth execution and addressing on-ground challenges effectively. Students were encouraged to bring their mobile phones to school once a week, where they could work on the app under the guidance of the DLFs. Beyond school hours, they continued their learning at home, often using their parents' phones to complete sessions and assignments. This dedication showcased their commitment to improving their skills. The program delivered transformative results. Students showed marked improvement in spoken English, with enhanced confidence and participation in classroom activities. Teachers reported increased engagement and willingness to learn. District-level facilitators observed a visible shift in students' ability to communicate effectively. The success of the program lies in its structured approach and the integration of cutting-edge technology with grassroots execution.
This journey has been really helpful for me. It has opened doors to new opportunities and experiences. I am grateful to Samagra Shiksha Abhiyan and the Uttarakhand government for providing us with this platform for improving our English skills. Thank you.
And as we all know, English is a very important language which is spoken widely all over the world and help us to connect with people with different cultures, and also it is helpful in business purposes, educational purposes and entertainment purposes as well. I would recommend this app to all my friends, and I would like to thank Uttarakhand government for this educational program. Thank you.
This app is very helpful for me and my friends for clearing our doubts in English language and also help us to pronounce the words in English subject.
This app consists audio, video and AI-based learning. This app proved very useful to me, and I thank Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan for giving us this opportunity. Thank you.
This is Mrs. Bharti Chauhan from AUGIC Landora Nursing Block. The program proved useful in learning English. Although the students are from the rural background, so they will take some time for developing the fluency, but surely they will, after some time, we will ensure here that the students are doing their regular practices and they are learning English. So we'll ensure that as a teacher. I'll definitely work on that.
बच्चों ने वर्ड्सवर्थ ऐप के माध्यम से घर बैठे इंग्लिश कन्वर्सेशन, ग्रामर और इंग्लिश की बेसिक नॉलेज प्राप्त किया है और अपने सभी असाइनमेंट पूरे किए हैं, और अन्य विद्यालयों को भी इसमें सम्मिलित किया जाना चाहिए, जिससे बच्चों को घर बैठे अधिक से अधिक जानकारी प्राप्त हो सके. थैंक यू.
I am confident about it that this will make our students a very good communicator in the future. I express my special gratitude to the department for running such a wonderful programs in our school. I wish such type of programs were run in schools in our school life also as well. Well, better late than never.
To acknowledge and motivate students, a certificate of appreciation was awarded to those who performed well and achieved the desired targets. The certificates were distributed in the presence of block education officers, BEOs, and school principals, celebrating the students' dedication and hard work. The enhancement of spoken English program stands as a testament to the government of Uttarakhand's commitment to educational excellence. By leveraging technology and collaboration, the initiative has empowered thousands of students to overcome language barriers and embrace new opportunities. This program is not just a milestone, it is a blueprint for transformative education in India.